Stop looking for the magic side hustle. Most of them are a waste of time. If you want real financial freedom as a student, you don't need a new app. You need a high-income skill. In the next 2 minutes, I'm giving you 5 skills you can master in 30 days for free that actually pay. First, copywriting. Businesses are desperate for people who can write words that sell. It's not about being creative. It's about psychology. Spend 30 days studying the boron letters and practicing on ChatGPT. You can start charging $50 an hour faster than you think. Second, data analytics. Companies have too much data and no idea what to do with it. Learn the basics of SQL and Tableau. Google offers a free certification. If you can turn raw numbers into a clear business win, you're indispensable. Third, no-code web design. You don't need to learn JavaScript to build $5,000 websites anymore. Master tools like Framer or Webflow. There are thousands of local businesses with websites from 2005. They are your first clients. Fourth, digital project management. Most entrepreneurs are disorganized. If you can master Notion or Asana and keep a team on track, you can manage operations for creators and startups remotely between your lectures. Finally, AI prompt engineering. This isn't just talking to a bot. It's about building workflows. Learn how to use AI to automate 10 hours of work into 10 minutes. This is the most relevant skill for 2026, and nobody is teaching it in school. Pick one. Don't try to learn all 5. Spend the next 30 days obsessed, and you'll never have to worry about a student budget again. Now, go build.